How to open new tab in existing terminal session, and using keyboard shortcut, modifying global settings. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+T opens a new terminal window on Linux. By default it opens one new terminal window. Is there a way how to customize how many new tabs are going to be opened? For example, by using this shortcut it will open 2 tabs by default. What is the right keyboard shortcut to open a new tab in existing terminal? I want to have 2 tabs opened and switch between them with Ctrl+ page up.
Run gnome terminal command and add as many tab options as you need. For instance, gnome terminal tab will get you a new window with 3 tabs. Assign the command to a keyboard shortcut to achieve what your goal. To open a new tab interactively use Ctrl+Shift+T.
GNOME Terminal is the default terminal application on Ubuntu. It does have a command line option that should help. So you could create a custom keyboard shortcut with the command. If you wanted to open 2 tabs, you could create a script file like. Then call that script file from your keyboard shortcut.
Ctrl+Alt+T, open new terminal Ctrl+Shift+T, open new tab in the terminal. Note you should not present on browser while executing this shortcut, otherwise last closed browser tab will be opened. GNOME terminal, open new terminal. GNOME terminal tab, open new tab in the terminal. Alt+, tab number, X, Alt+1, change to first terminal tab. Alt+2, change to second terminal tab.
From the existing GNOME terminal, right-click and select Preferences. You will see the keyboard shortcut settings on Global Shortcuts.
If you want to support the channel,